Ever wondered why the Mediterranean diet is so famed for its health benefits? The secret lies in the region's bounty of fruits and vegetables, a cornucopia of health and flavor. Today, unlock the secrets with a simple yet flavorful Mediterranean recipe, presenting the Mediterranean chickpea salad. A burst of flavors and nutrients. This is a salad that speaks to the heart of Mediterranean cuisine, brimming with crisp vegetables, sweet fruits, and protein-packed chickpeas. Each ingredient contributes not just to the symphony of flavors, but also to the health benefits this dish offers. From the heart-healthy fats in the olives to the antioxidants in the bell peppers, every bite is a celebration of good health and great taste. Ready to delve into the making of this vibrant dish? Start with a base of crisp lettuce and ripe tomatoes. Now let's dive right into the heart of this recipe. Imagine a bed of fresh green lettuce, a symphony of crunch and texture. Next, scatter over it a handful of ripe juicy tomatoes, bursting with flavor and packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Then introduce the cool, refreshing crunch of cucumbers. Not just a palate cleanser, cucumbers are hydrating powerhouses, containing about 95% water. Moving on, let's not forget the olives, those little orbs of Mediterranean goodness. Olives are a great source of heart-healthy fats and are known to promote good cholesterol. Our final ingredient, chickpeas, bring a lovely bite to the mix. These tiny legumes are a fantastic source of protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Toss everything together with a simple vinaigrette and voila! And there you have it, a refreshing and nutritious Mediterranean chickpea salad. This salad isn't just about tantalizing your taste buds. It's a symphony of wholesome benefits, each ingredient playing its part. From the heart-healthy chickpeas to the vitamin-rich vegetables, this Mediterranean marvel offers a balanced and nutritious feast. So next time you're in the mood for something healthy and delicious, remember the Mediterranean secret. Have you ever pondered what makes Mediterranean gastronomy so irresistibly enticing? It's a masterful blend of diverse taste, a melodious of simplicity and elegance that waltzes on your taste buds. The Mediterranean diet is celebrated worldwide for its health-enhancing properties, owing to plentiful use of olive oil, whole grains, and a spectrum of fresh garden picks. From sun-drenched coastlines of Greece to the bustling bazaars of Morocco, Mediterranean fare is a tribute to the region's vibrant cultural mosaic. Stay on board as we venture into the cradle of Mediterranean culinary art, introducing you to a classic yet tantalizing recipe of Greek tzatziki. Today, we're unraveling the secrets of a classic Greek dish, tzatziki. Originating from the sun-drenched shores of Greece, tzatziki is a refreshing dip that plays a starring role in their cuisine. A symphony of simple ingredients: crisp cucumber, tangy garlic, creamy yogurt, fragrant dill, and rich olive oil come together to create this culinary delight. Its simplicity is its strength, and its versatility makes it a perfect companion for a variety of meals. Ready to whip up some authentic Greek tzatziki? Grab your apron and let's get started. Follow these easy steps and you'll have a bowl of refreshing tzatziki ready in no time. Let's kick things off by preparing our ingredients. You'll need half a cucumber, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and a handful of fresh dill. Remember, the fresher the ingredients, the better the taste. Start by peeling and deseeding the cucumber. Shred it finely and squeeze out the excess water. This step is crucial because it prevents your tzatziki from becoming too watery. Next, finally, chop your garlic and dill. Be sure to save a little dill for garnishing later. Now let's get mixing. In a bowl, combine the shredded cucumber, Chop garlic and dill. Add in the Greek yogurt, mixing until everything is well incorporated. Drizzle in the olive oil and add the vinegar. Give it another good stir, making sure everything is evenly distributed. The final step in tzatziki journey is the chilling stage. This is where all the flavors melt together, so don't rush it. Cover your bowl and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. The longer it chills, the more intense the flavors become. When you're ready to serve, give it one last stir. Garnish with that extra dill we saved, and serve with warm pita bread, or as a dip for your favorite Mediterranean dishes. And voila, your homemade tzatziki is ready to be savored. There you have it, a simple and delicious dip from the heart of the Mediterranean. We've journeyed through the preparation of Greek tzatziki, a healthy and easy to make dish. Remember, it's all about fresh ingredients, a bit of patience, and a love for vibrant flavors. We do hope you'll give this recipe a go, and perhaps delve further into the rich, diverse world of Mediterranean cuisine. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your journey through the flavors of the Mediterranean.